Well, back at it again down here at the greasy old garage, and got myself a $200 Impala, got myself a $200 engine, $400 in total, and I've been at this for 3 weeks and cannot get this engine in. So I got Bradley down here to help me out.
Yeah, I'm behind the camera.
Yeah. So hopefully we can get this bad boy in. I mean, you can see how chewed up that input shaft is from me just trying, but
How chewed up is it?
yeah, the flywheel grabbed on it and all that.
Oh, that's not that bad.
I hope not, but
Yeah, we could. Maybe you have a file. Maybe we can file it down just a hair to get the grooves off.
yeah.
Well,
But yeah, 160,000 mile engine going in. The old engine spun a bearing, and
how many miles does the old engine have? Do you know?
yeah, 160.
Okay, so it's not that much of a difference.
Yeah, the old car has 218 on it, so
Okay.
you know, kind of a worthless swap, but the
Well,
interior's clean.
yeah, that's the only benefit to this thing.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything else looks like a piece of crap.
Yep.
So let's get started, I guess. What we're trying to do right now is we're trying to assemble the engine hoist. Where'd you get this thing?
I actually borrowed it from a guy down the way.
Down the road?
Yeah.
Well, that was nice.
Good.
Saved us money. We didn't have to go to Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
So let's try to get this thing mounted. Got the typical problem a GM-V6 has. Gaskets go out and it leaks everywhere. Yeah, there we go. Okay, well, we're on gravel. How are we going to scoop this thing?
It's happened before.
Really?
Yep.
For those of you who don't know, he's tried to put this thing in by himself. Yeah, I don't want it to fall. Yeah. We look like morons, probably.
We don't.
That's true. I don't care. There's that. At least I'm not like some of my coworkers who go out and work in the parking lot and they cuss with customers around.
Yep.
And the customers stare at them. You got it out, but yeah, we can't get it in. Go figure. So it just goes to show that our brains are apparently the size of peas, because we did not think this through, because now we can't get the engine in because the hoist is hitting the top of the garage door. So what we're going to do is we're going to lower the car down and hopefully we slip it in. If not, we'll just have to pull the whole car out of the garage. $200 car, $200 engine. If you don't know anything about cars, this is not the kind of vehicle for you.
Yep.
If you're morons, this is the vehicle for you. At least that's what it seems like. Because we're both morons, it feels like. Or at least I am, anyway.
I think so. I think we're in the same boat.
You think we're both in the same boat?
Especially for me getting it in the first place.
Yeah. Well, look at it this way. You'll have a nice blue car afterwards.
That is if any of this works.
Yeah.
Okay. You mean put this under the rotor?
Yeah, well, somewhere around there. I'll try to put it on the control arm, not so much the rotor, because I don't want to bend the rotor. And maybe we might need to take that wheel off over there. We can at least get it down to...
Yeah, where that one touches.
Yeah, just where that wheel touches or so. Okay, now we gotta shove a bunch of blocks in it just in case the jack decides to collapse.
Throw a jack stand over there.
Yeah, see if it'll... How solid is that control arm?
Good, I guess. Here, go right there. There, that should do it.
Yeah.
I'll lower it on there.
A little sketchy, but should do.
Yeah, we're not gonna get under it.
Yeah.
So.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's sitting crooked, but I think it should do.
Yeah.
Okay, go down a hair. Just a hair. We're gonna hit the door. Probably. Yeah. My fear was gonna hit the grill. Yeah, hand. Push it. Oh, we're calling the door. Get it up turn this way. Yeah. Okay, so you need to take the hood off? Yeah. Or straighten the hood. Alright, you want to go up there and turn the engine? Yeah. Take the hood off a little bit. How'd you get it out with the hood on it? Okay, go. I'm slipping.
You're fine right there.
Just leave it right there now. This much easier?
Way easier. Okay, we're gonna hit on that bell housing over there.
Okay, where's the bell housing? Okay, so I'm gonna have to go over here.
I got a big screwdriver for this. Try on it. Just kind of push it out of the way.
Go back up, go back up.
See, that was my problem last time. It was all crooked.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
How to get past that.
Well, I have to reposition it somehow.
Yeah. See, then that stupid ass plug over
I
there.
wonder if I can lift up on this side.
Yeah. Maybe put the jack under it. Holy shit.
Oh! Ow!
Alright, yeah, let's not do that.
Here, let me...
I'll go up with it.
Ah, dang it, I'm on the jack. What am I sliding? We have 2x4s?
Yeah.
And,
Just think about it. Hold on.
yeah, let's make a second before I get myself a hernia. Oil in this thing, by the way?
Yes.
That doesn't help with weight.
No. Go slow.
Ow.
Alright, let go.
Alright, I'll let go of these. And tilt them up.
There you go. Now we go down.
Okay, I'm holding this front end, so. motor won't go in, just beat the motor in. That'd be wonderful. Go slow, we bent the oil filter.
I don't care. That's loose.
Yeah, it's hanging there. Yeah, it's... Okay, we're gonna have to take that off. We're getting stuck on something.
So, the elongated oil filter housing, we're going to take it off and hopefully we can slip by there.
Yeah.
And that's about it. Put it
I
back
feel
on
like you're
later.
starting to hate this engine.
Oh no. This is definitely not the start of it. I've hated this since the moment I got it. So,
Is this your biggest regret?
yes.
Oh, God.
I hate this damn thing.
Yeah.
So, onward and upwards to bigger and better things.
Yeah.
And hopefully I can find all my sockets back because this place is completely disorganized.
Well, the benefit is you can finally say I got a luxury Chevy.
Yeah.
And people, I tell that to people, it's like, I own a luxury Chevy because I have an Impala. People look at me and say I'm nuts.
Yeah, they probably think, wow, that's a piece of crap.
Yeah.
Yeah, luxury Chevy nowadays is a brand new Impala.
Yeah.
Let's go over here.
You know what's funny is the new Impalas, people don't realize this, that the generation that's being made now,
Mm-hmm.
it's actually built on a Cadillac frame.
Wow.
So it rides nice.
Huh.
Like really nice. What would you rather have? The Chevy that rides like a Cadillac or the actual Cadillac?
Brand new?
Yeah. If you had to pay for it yourself.
Chevy that rides like a Cadillac.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It'd be cheaper.
Cheaper?
Essentially a Cadillac.
Yeah. Might not have the pretty shell, but who cares?
Yeah.
It'll get rusty anyway, you know?
Yeah.
Or I guess start pitting, because now a lot of car bodies are made out of aluminum.
Yeah.
Which I don't understand. I prefer steel.
Mm.
But whatever.
This has a spring in it. I know that.
Oh yeah, did you...
It's weird.
You put it together, didn't you?
Yeah. Because this was the one off the old one.
Oh, okay.
Because the other one, I got it in and figured out that it was right in the way of the engine mount.
Yeah. So was there a lot of cursing whenever you pulled the old one out?
Or, no, it actually came out pretty nicely.
But putting it in is where the cursing came.
Yeah, Jesus. And the biggest thing was that bolt right there that everyone knows about.
Oh, where at?
That one.
Right down there?
Yeah. Because I had to have 3 extensions and a friend to help me guide it in there.
Oh, man.
Mm-hmm.
And I was busy with work, so I couldn't help you at the time.
Yeah. This would be good for trying to do something by yourself.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad I texted you and asked, hey, you doing anything?
Yeah.
Better than me sitting at around the house doing nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. It's coming off.
Okay.
Ow. Go back the other way. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Hey guys, don't line it up.
Yep, that's exactly the problem.
What's exactly the problem?
We're hitting our engine mount.
We're hitting the engine mount?
Yeah. I think if we get on the engine mount, we can jack the tranny up.
Uh-huh.
With the bolts lined up.
Yeah, probably.
Jack the engine up. You bent one of the engine mount bolts?
Oh, we bent it?
Bent it.
We bent it. Now I gotta hammer it out.
Okay, so finally got these on these bolts down here. I guided it in while Bradley lowered it.
Yeah, the only reason why we didn't film it was the camera was starting to overheat.
Yeah, and then we tried and put it on over there because we couldn't get it on over here first, but that proved impossible because the bolts would get in the way. But we dropped it down on the 2 and went right in for some reason. And we'll bolt that on, take a little break, get her attached to the bell housing, and then put the transaxle brace in on the back. That should be about
maybe
it
get
for
me a
mounts.
Mountain Dew.
Yeah, maybe me a Suntrap.
Yeah. But the bolts are right there, and Wilson right now is putting the nuts on.
Yeah.
I think they're the nuts. Yeah, they're nuts.
This whole car is the most cursed layout I've ever seen in my whole life.
Yeah. Well, it'd be easier if we had a lift, but we don't have a lift.
Mm. Okay.
Subscribe to Missouri Motors.
Yeah. Shameless put. Shameless.
So what do you want to call this episode?
I don't know. World's worst transmission. World's worst first engine transplant.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure something out. The one engine mount hooked up. Now I gotta try to get the engine lined up with the tranny. And sweat our nuts off again. And I'm glad I bought that light.
Yeah.
Because it's coming in handy. He was trying to use one of his ceiling lights as a light and it wasn't working very well.
Yeah.
So what do we gotta do here to get this lined up, do you think?
Let's just lower it a little bit.
Lower it a little?
Yeah.
Should be good to go. I don't have a very good hook on that, I know. We'll figure something out.
Yeah.
Almost got it on there, that's pretty cool.
We just got to shove that one.
Yeah. I can see the gap, there's not much. Hopefully it lines up and hopefully it's balanced enough that it won't shake itself to death.
Yeah, it does.
Whoop! Good scrapyard. Yeah. You can tell we're not that concerned about it shaking itself to death.
$400 car, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Watch that.
Oh yeah, oh. Also, we're gonna have to rewire this thing, so that'll be another episode sometime.
I got an idea.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't.
I got an idea. Well, wait a minute, I don't.
Well, so easy last time. Just slipped right on. Not messed up, everything. Good to go.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something pinched in there. That could be one.
Maybe. I don't have a pocket light. I wish I did though. Off to Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
It's down the street now. We don't have to go to St. Louis anymore. Thank God. I didn't like going to St. Louis. Well, we'll both have Impalas. So should we do like, so when we get this thing running, or if we get this thing running, there's no guarantee. Should we do like a comparison video of which generation Impala was better?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just try to get the tranny lined up with the motor and then I guess call it a day with this. I don't know. It's up to you.
I'm gonna.
You agree?
Get the jack out of here. I want to use this to pry it onto that.
What, the jack?
What jack handle?
Oh, the jack handle, okay.
Is it just on there?
I hope it went on. I don't know.
Ooh, it's close.
It's close.
There's only like that much of a gap now.
Good. Let's see if we get it on.
Let me try and shake it and you maybe pry on it.
Yeah. Put it on there.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Alright.
Did it work?
No.
Ah, crap.
It looks like there's something in the bottom that's holding it back.
There might be. We need a bigger garage.
You're telling me.
You hate the smell of gear oil. I hate it, yeah.
Yeah.
Believe me, I work at a car dealership. I get to smell a lot. Especially whenever the owner says, hey, I need you to flush this out for me, my differential. It's like, okay. Which, a flush on it's a joke. You're just changing it. I don't know why they even call it a flush.
Huh.
You want the light down there? Oh, it's crooked.
No, one more.
Not lining up evenly, huh? There we go.
Maxed out.
Yeah, good enough.
I'm gonna try to see if I can get the other one.
Up a higher?
Yep.
No.
No.
No, don't worry about it. It's fine. I don't think it's gonna make a big difference if it's a hair off.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Yep. Okay.
That's kind of scary.
Yeah. I'm gonna shove it back and forth to see if it falls over.
It's not moving, so we're good.
Yeah. I'm happy with that.
Alright. Let's see if we get the thing lined up.
Yep.
Anything?
That light? Could I see that?
Yeah. Anything unusual yet, or no? Oh, hold on.
No?
Nothing unusual?
No.
Can you see why it's not lining up?
No.
Great.
Well, yeah, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, there's a reason why it's not lining up. I see the gears where the engine and everything goes. Hard to see on camera, but
Huh. Unless the transmission has to come that way.
maybe. Move this transmission over.
Damn. Stubborn.
Hitting.
Honestly, for me, that's good enough.
Is it lined up?
Yeah, the holes match.
I hope it's connected so we actually drive.
Yeah. Well, I'll seal it up eventually, but
Yeah,
for now.
for now this is okay.
Yeah, we can just.
And we'll come back to it. Is that your plan?
Yeah, it doesn't even have to be today. I don't care.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well,
it's in, and then I don't have to use this anymore, which is the greatest thing.
this makes me appreciate the older vehicles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like that. Even that. I mean, 95 and still using an engine from like 88.
Yeah.
I like it. Rear-wheel drive.
hmm
I think that's my biggest problem with this.
Front wheel drive.
Yeah, front-wheel drive, cramped garage, and newer car.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Even though it's what? What year is it?
04.
04. All right. Well, I guess that'll do for this episode today.
Yeah, I think so.
And we probably brought many disappointments.
Hey, it's in. I'm happy. So.
Yeah. So hopefully someone will like it, but I got a feeling we might get a lot of dislikes at the same time.
Yeah.
But remember, we're amateurs. Even though I work at a car dealership, I'm still an amateur.
Yeah, don't worry. Bradley doesn't practice this kind of hack jobbery here or at the dealership.
No, I'm the lube guy there. I just change people's oil.
Yeah.
So.
Nothing too important with that.
Yeah. So.
Plus, this is my project, and I don't work at the dealership, so I guess
Right.
it's a good thing.
Yeah. I mean, pay's not all that great there, so.
Yeah.
I might be getting a job at a factory. I'd like to make YouTube my profession, but I don't see that happening.
Yeah.
Oh well.
It brings in the bills.
Alright, well, I guess that's it for this one.
Yeah, I guess so.
Alright.
We'll see you guys in the next installment.
Alright. Would you like to say like and subscribe?
Yeah, just remember to like and subscribe and support my, I don't even know what to call it.
Hack job?
Yeah, my hack job. Jesus.
Yeah.
May the Lord be with us and this car.
Yeah, thank you. And my back,
Yeah.
because I got a sore back. And it's permanent too, that's the part that sucks.
Yeah.
Oh well, I can live with it.
Okay.
Alright.
See you guys next time.